It's good, but you have to use it with caution. You have to be careful when you're using it, okay?
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me.
Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you are a returnee, you are absolutely welcome also. You all know I love you lovelies so much. So lovelies, if you are interested in skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Today I'm going to be doing an honest review on Pure White Gold cream. This cream right here. This is a small one, okay? This is the one I could lay my hands on. They have big one, but I've used the big one before, no. So this cream is called Pure White Gold Glowing Cream. Is the number 2. I think they have number 3, number 4. They have number 1, which is a soap. So this is the Unifier Maxi Tone, Even Tone, Maxi Tone Lightning Rejuvenating Cream. Okay, I don't know if you lovelies can see. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen for everybody to see. I said right here that it's made with 6 precious plant oils, and results are visible by 7 days. Anything that is visible 7 days, just know it's a proper bleaching cream. It's written here that it's hydration, anti-aging, comfort peeling, skin fairness and protection. For protection, I won't really say much about protection, but the fairness, hydrating is good. Okay, it's good. I don't know about the ones that are producing now, but then when I was using it, I loved it. I mean, it was good. See, Pure White Gold is a proper bleaching cream. It's not written that there's hydroquine in it. It's said without hydroquine, but let me tell you lovelies, there's hydroquine in this cream. Yes, and that's why this place is actually black. Can you see? Anything that has harsh chemicals turn black when exposed to air. But mind you, even if it has hydroquine, there is a way to use this cream that you are gonna love it, and there is a remedy to reduce the chemicals, which I'm going to do in another video, but not on this video. Yes, I'm going to show you lovelies how to mix the cream to reduce those chemicals, beat them down to reduce those hyperpigmentation and all that it's supposed to give you, because not everybody have money to buy expensive cream. Even me, I'm not feeling buy over expensive cream. That's the truth. So I'm going to show you lovelies how to reduce it in another video, but not this video. But this video is just for talk about how the cream is. The cream gives you glow, makes you look lovely, it's beautiful, it's nice. When I was using it, it made me glow, like I was fair, like fair. And I don't use cream all the time. Like I said earlier, I use cream 3 times in a week, which is always at night, not during the daytime. I want to advise you to use this cream every day. When I was using Pure White Gold, I didn't mix it with anything, because I think that was the first. It was not really common then. It was not really common, but now I heard people complaining about burnt toes, serious dark knuckles, and all other stuff using this cream. When I used it, I didn't experience anything like dark knuckles. Yes, should be told, I didn't experience anything like burnt foot, because I wasn't using it during the daytime. I only use it at night, and mind you, I was using it 3 times in a week. Then I was using it 3 times in a week. The cream is really harsh, like really harsh. It's an Oshopra cream. I mean, it whitens you up in no time. But from what I discovered from the ones that I'm seeing now, they are really way more really harsher than those former ones that they were producing. As for this cream, when it comes to glowing, I would say I was glowing when I was using it. Yes, I glowed. I was using it with any oil. I didn't mix it with any oil. I was white. When I mean white, the white was clean, not that red anyhow like my white. No, those anyhow white. The white was clean. Honestly, I was beautiful while using the cream. But it comes to a time I discovered that this cream was increasing stretch mark. I mean, the cream was trying to give me stretch mark. Yeah, that was when I stopped it. Serious stretch marks. For those that are lovers of Hydro Queen, you can use this. But if you're not lover of Hydro Queen, you just want to lighten yourself and go back to a cream that will just maintain your skin complexion, you can use this, but don't use more than one big can. This is a small can. This is the one I could lay my hands on. Don't use more than one big can, please. Don't use more than one big can. I don't really know how fair you want to go. I don't really know how you want to increase your skin complexion, but take it easy when you're using it, okay? Don't overuse it, don't abuse it, don't use it too much. Overall view is it's a glowing cream, it's a fairness cream, it's good, but you have to use it with caution. You have to be careful when you're using it, okay? And minimize the way you use it. Don't use it too much. Use it like 4 or 5 times in a week and you'll be okay. So lovelies, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the notification bell for you to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you on my next video, I always say remain blessed.